Foods to rapidly detoxify your kidneys. Unveiling the power of diet in kidney health rejuvenation is like discovering a hidden treasure trove for your body. The foods we eat play a pivotal role in maintaining the efficiency and health of our kidneys. By focusing on specific nutrients and natural cleansers found in our diet, we can significantly enhance the function of these vital organs, ensuring they operate at their best. The kidneys are our body's natural filtration system, working tirelessly to remove waste and excess fluids. Keeping them clean is not just beneficial, it's essential for overall health. Healthy kidneys mean a balanced body, capable of filtering blood, aiding in blood pressure regulation, and ensuring the proper balance of minerals. Beetroot stands out as a potent cleanser, its rich antioxidant content making it an ideal food for kidney health. These antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and aiding the kidneys in their crucial detoxification process. The vibrant vegetable is not just a feast for the eyes but a boon for the kidneys. Its effectiveness in lowering blood pressure is another feather in beetroot's cap. High blood pressure is a known enemy of kidney health, and by keeping it in check, beetroot helps ease the strain on these organs. Its natural cleansing properties further assist in flushing out toxins, making it a dual-action ally for the kidneys. Garlic, nature's antibiotic, plays a significant role in flushing out toxins from the body. Its ability to reduce inflammation is particularly beneficial for the kidneys. By including garlic in your diet, you're not just enhancing flavors, you're giving your kidneys a much-needed boost in their daily cleansing duties. Garlic, nature's own antibiotic, is a powerhouse for eliminating toxins from the body. Its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties not only help in reducing swelling but also ensure the kidneys function smoothly, flushing out impurities efficiently. The humble beetroot is more than just a vibrant addition to your plate. Rich in antioxidants, it plays a crucial role in lowering blood pressure and purifying the kidneys. Its natural compounds enhance blood flow, supporting kidney health. Lemon juice, with its refreshing citrus kick, acts as a natural detox for your kidneys. It's particularly effective in preventing the formation of kidney stones while promoting a healthier cleansing process, thanks to its high citric acid content. Watermelon isn't just a summer treat, it's a hydration hero for your kidneys. Its diuretic properties encourage the body to expel more urine, which in turn aids in the natural cleansing process of the kidneys, keeping them functioning optimally. Turmeric, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory benefits, is a golden spice that supports kidney detoxification. Its active ingredient, curcumin, not only helps in reducing inflammation but also aids in maintaining healthy kidney function by preventing toxin accumulation. Turmeric, known as the golden spice, is not just for adding flavor to dishes but also serves as a powerful agent for kidney health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help in reducing inflammation and supporting detoxification processes. This spice aids in the overall function of the kidneys, ensuring they operate smoothly and efficiently. Ginger, another potent root, plays a crucial role in rejuvenating and cleansing the kidneys. Its natural compounds work effectively to flush out toxins, offering a protective shield against kidney-related issues. Including ginger in your diet can enhance kidney function and promote a healthy urinary tract. Cranberries are celebrated for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, a common concern that can impact kidney health. The unique compounds in cranberries help in cleansing the kidneys, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, thus safeguarding the kidneys from potential infections. Cabbage stands out as a low-potassium vegetable, making it an ideal choice for those with kidney concerns. Its kidney-friendly nature aids in the cleansing process without overburdening the kidneys with high potassium levels, ensuring patients with kidney disease can safely include it in their diet. Apples, often hailed as an everyday fruit, hold significant benefits for kidney health. Their natural detoxifying properties help in clearing the kidneys of toxins and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Regular consumption of apples can contribute to the maintenance of healthy kidneys and a well-functioning urinary tract. Cranberries are renowned for their kidney cleansing properties, making them a powerful ally in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Their unique compounds inhibit bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, ensuring your kidneys remain clean and functional. Incorporating cabbage into your diet offers a dual benefit for kidney health. This vegetable is not only rich in essential nutrients but is also low in potassium, making it an ideal choice for individuals with kidney concerns. Apples, the quintessential everyday fruit, play a significant role in kidney health. Their high fiber content and anti-inflammatory properties help in detoxifying the kidneys and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Hydration is the cornerstone of effective kidney cleansing. Drinking ample water throughout the day facilitates the removal of toxins from the body, ensuring that your kidneys are functioning optimally. Adapting your diet to include kidney cleansing foods is easier than you might think. Simple changes, like incorporating cranberries into breakfast or adding a side of cabbage to dinner, can significantly impact your kidney health. Hydration is the cornerstone of kidney health, acting as a natural flush for toxins accumulating in the body. Drinking adequate water daily supports the kidneys in their critical filtering role and promotes overall well-being. Incorporating kidney cleansing foods into your diet isn't just about eating them in isolation. It's about crafting a balanced diet where these foods can synergize, enhancing their detoxifying effects and ensuring your kidneys function optimally. Traditional and modern medicine both offer insights into kidney cleansing, each bringing unique perspectives. While modern medicine focuses on scientific evidence and advanced treatments, traditional practices emphasize natural remedies and preventive measures, offering a holistic approach to kidney health. The modern diet, laden with processed foods, poses significant risks to kidney health. High in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats, these foods can increase blood pressure and sugar levels, burdening the kidneys. Prioritizing fresh, whole foods can mitigate these risks. Recognizing the signs of kidney distress early is crucial. Symptoms like fatigue, swelling, and changes in urination patterns warrant immediate medical attention. Early intervention can prevent further damage, highlighting the importance of being attuned to your body's signals. Regular kidney cleansing offers profound benefits for long-term health, enhancing the organ's ability to filter waste and maintain fluid balance. This proactive approach can prevent the accumulation of toxins, supporting overall wellness and vitality. Debunking myths surrounding kidney cleansing is crucial, as misinformation can lead to ineffective or harmful practices. Understanding the science-backed methods for promoting kidney health ensures that individuals adopt safe and beneficial dietary and lifestyle changes. Creating a balanced meal plan focused on kidney health is not just about adding certain foods, it's about ensuring variety and moderation. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods can improve organ function while also catering to the body's nutritional needs. Exercise plays a pivotal role in promoting kidney health, aiding in detoxification by boosting circulation and helping to manage blood pressure. Regular physical activity complements dietary efforts, further enhancing the kidney's ability to function efficiently. Embracing a kidney-friendly lifestyle means making informed choices about diet, exercise, and overall health practices. This comprehensive approach not only boosts kidney health but also contributes to a vibrant, energetic life.